To connect a software wallet to Pump.Fun, start by opening Google Chrome and searching for Pump.Fun. Then click on the first link to visit the website. On the website, locate the top right corner and click on Connect Wallet. From the available options, select More Wallets and then choose Software. If you're new to using software wallets, you'll have the option to create a new one by clicking I need a new wallet. If you already have a wallet, select I already have a wallet and follow the prompts to log in. When creating a new wallet, you'll be given a recovery phrase, which you should write down carefully, as it's essential for accessing your wallet. You can also download or copy it for safekeeping. After saving your recovery phrase, upload it when prompted. Then click Continue, set a secure password for your wallet, and click Continue again. With your wallet set up, click Enter Solana to complete the setup. Then return to the Pump.Fun website. On the website, select Software from the wallet options and click Connect, then approve the connection when prompted. You'll then have the option to enter your username and bio, after which you can click Save. Your software wallet is now successfully connected to Pump.Fun.